Hi, let's count to 1. 1 red apple and the number 1. 1. Yay! 1, 2. I have 2 balls. Now let's stack them. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Hi there. Look, a number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay, I counted 5 blocks. I have lots of oranges. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Hi, look, it's the number 7. 7 is so much fun. Let's play with the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 flowers. 8 is great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 stars! Yay! Hi, let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! I did it! Great job learning numbers. If you want to learn more, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.